sir. Myself Gulnaz from St. Hopkins College. My question is, which is better plan? Whether it's an open-ended plan or closed-ended fund?
From a mutual fund?
Yeah, from a mutual fund.
You want to take that?
Open-ended or closed-ended?
No, closed-ended, basically the terms are defined. That's the only difference. That, I mean, there is no difference. The only difference is that in the closed one, the term is defined, whether it is 3 years or whether it is 5 years. That's the only difference. Open-ended is basically where you can make a SIP, like, where you can invest on a regular basis.
If you want to take, in open-ended we can't, right?
In open-ended you can take a SIP. You can take it.
Of course you can.
In the closed-ended you cannot invest on a regular, that's what I'm saying. It's like a fixed term.
From a performance point, Gaurav, what's any barometer we have that have close-ended? Because the basic logic of close-ended was that somebody like a Christian doesn't have to worry for the next 5 years, that somebody's going to come and take away money. So he has the freedom to invest for 5 years without being worried as a fund manager that there is a...
Honestly, no. So, well, probably he would know, but we haven't had situation, ideally even ELSS, for example, this is 3-year lock-in and money stays long-term. But it's not, so if you look at performance of various equity schemes, a particular AMC, it's not that ELSS is the top performer. I'm sure they would have their parameters and whatever. Ideal situation should have been that a close-ended fund, because the fund manager knows that the money is going to stay with him. A close-ended fund manager will be able to take long-term call because he knows that investor is not going to come and ask me back for money. So to that extent, I would stay invested for long-term, or if it's a 3-year kind of the 3-year money, nobody's going to come and ask me, or 5-year. We don't have any clear-cut historical data which says that all close-ended funds have performed greatly and open-ended funds have not performed. We have had mixed bag. As far as your question is concerned, what you should choose is, when would you require this money?